welcome to our eVidya classes. Students, today we are going to discuss about wild animals. Students, what do you mean by wild? So first of all, we will discuss what do you mean by wild. Okay. So wild is nothing but, student, the animals which are living in their natural forest. Okay, for a long time, and we can say jungle. So this type of animals we can say wild animals. For example, tiger, elephants, giraffe, they are not staying in a specific place, they are staying in jungle. Or this type of lions we can say wild animals. Okay, so name three animals which cannot be demonstrated domesticated or kept as pet. Okay, before that, student, first we will read, can all animals be domesticated and raised on farms? No, we cannot keep every animals as domesticated, or we cannot keep in farms also. Okay, so name three animals which cannot be domesticated or kept as pets. So first one is lion, tiger, giraffe. We are not domesticated animals, we live in our natural habitat, which is the forest or jungle. Okay, so the natural environment which you can say or jungle, that is in the wild animals will live there only. We are the wild animals. So you can observe this picture, student. In this picture, lions, which is king of the jungle, and owl, giraffe, elephants, tiger, monkey, and tortoise, deer, snake, and different animals are there. So these animals are called wild animals because their habitat, their living place is natural forest only. Okay, so next, students, birds are essentially, and you can see, student, here every animals are they wants to they vote for lion should be king of the jungle. Okay, everyone are some of the many of the animals they choosing lion is the king. Okay, new king. So birds are essentially wild creatures except for those that are the raised in farms or kept as pet. Okay, birds are also essentially in creature except those some of the birds we will keep in our farm and as well as pet also. Home, student. Domestic animals depend on human beings for food and shelter. Okay, domestic animals they are depend on the human beings for their shelter and food. Wild animals live on their own. So domestic animal means which we are keeping in our home, they depend upon us for food, for water, for shelter. But wild animal, student, they cannot depend upon others. They will live their life own. They will hunt themselves, they will prey themselves. Okay, we already know that some animals live on land. Okay, land, you know, some of the animals they will live on land and in water also, and some in both. Some animals they will live in water, some animals they will live in land, and some animals they will live both water and land. These animals which live in and on tree too also. Some of the animals they will live in tree also. Like you and me, all animals have their own homes where they go and stay. Okay, like you and me, student, how you have their a specific home and I also have specific home, we are going and we are staying. Like this, animals have their specific homes. It may be jungle or forest or in other places. Okay, they will go and stay. I roar aloud with all my pride, I live in a daze. This is called den, student, den. Okay, in this den, who is this? I am a daze. So I am a lion. Lion is the, it will roar very loudly in the forest and very pride also, and it will lion will be live in the den. Okay, you can see in that lion habitat is this one, den. Okay, how we can say where we are sleeping and staying, we are telling our room, bedroom, like this. Lions, for lions there we can say den, the name is den. I am very playful, the closest to human race, I live on the tree, I am a monkey, so my name is monkey. So I make nest, you can see the picture, nest, nest, where the birds will be make the nest and they will give eggs on trees to keep my eggs in it. I am a bird. So name is birds only. Understood? I am a long and slimy. I creep on the ground. Some of my kind can poison you. I live in a hole. So I am a snake. So you can see this picture, students. Snake will be live in the underground. It will snake will make a hole, and in that hole snake will be live. Okay. I am the tallest living animal on land. So I am the tallest living animal on land. I have a long neck. So I live in a land. This is the tallest in grassland. Okay. So I am a, so name is giraffe. Giraffe, you know, student, this is the giraffe. Tallest neck is very big. So my name is giraffe. Some animals sleep while they are standing, and all of them do not need a shelter over their head also. Okay. So some of the animals, they will sleep while standing, but we cannot sleep while standing. Okay. So all of them do not need any shelter over their head, because of their head they does not need any shelter, because their head is too big, like a giraffe. See, student, eating. Do we need food every day? Yes. How we are eating food? We need food every day. Do plants also need food every day? Yes. Food, everyone needs food every day, because without food, water, we cannot live too long. Okay. So we need food and water every day. And since animals are dash things, they also need food to survive. So since animals are these things too, all wild animals have different eating habits. All wild animals have their different eating habits. So student, all wild animals are, and since animals are living things, L-I-V-I-N, living things, they also need food to survive. All wild animals have different eating and habitat. All living animals, wild animals have different living and eating habitat. Okay, the largest animal on earth, the blue whale, do not have teeth. The blue whale do not have teeth. How do you think they eat? So how they will eat? They are habited in oceans. Animals too, like us, are vegetarian and non-vegetarian, which means some of them eat only plants, whereas others hunt for their food. You know, student, how some of the people's, your parents, they will eat, some people will eat only veg, some people will eat only non-veg, some people will eat both veg and non-veg. So like this, animals also, some of the, they will eat veg, means only plants product. Some of the animals also, they will eat both veg and non-veg, and some of the animals also eat only non-veg item. Non-veg means they will hunt. So you can see the picture, student, how a tiger is running behind the deer to hunt. So this hunted food is called prey. So this hunted food is called prey. So we can say this is the prey. P-R-E-Y. P-R-E-Y. Prey. Prey for whom? Prey for tiger. So animals that eat only grass are called herbivorous. So we categorized the different types of animals according to their eating habitat. Who will eat only grass item, we will give the name herbivorous. Herbivorous. Called name is herbivorous. Okay. The animals that eat only the, means deer or chicken or other animal, are called carnivorous. Who will hunt and they will eat other animals, that animal is called carnivorous. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Carnivorous. So animal that eat both other animal and grass, we can say omnivorous. The animals which they will eat both animals and grass, we can say omnivorous. Understood, students? Many animals are both predator, hunter and prey. Okay. Many animals are predators or hunter or prey also. Some of the biggest dinosaur and also currently the tallest animal on land, the giraffe, eat only plants. So giraffe only eat plants only. and are vegetarian. They do not hunt for their prey. However, a slim snake can eat of an entire deer in one go. Okay, a slim snake can eat also entire deer. Vulture, hyenas, jackals and eagles eat the remains of dead animals and keep the jungles clean. These are called scavengers. Scavenger, student, the animals which the birds, animals which they will eat dead animals and they will clean. Means if you think if your dog is died, then after sometimes other animals, scavengers, vultures, wrens, jackals and eagles, they will come and they will started to eat dead animals. So they will clean up the environment. So this type of animal is called scavengers. Understood? The prickle protection. See, that is the what a hedgehog has. Its sharp spines are actually special hairs. When it senses danger, the hedgehog rolls into a right ball thorns, making the spines stick out. This is how it protects itself from the become a prey. So what, student? These animals is called hedgehogs. Hedgehogs, student, you can see here hedgehogs. What happen when the hair is specific hair with this type of animal? Spine is sharp, spinous hair is there. When someone will attack him, it will suddenly spine the stick out. Thus, the spine hair will be stick out like this. Okay, no one can be attack that animal. Okay, so he can protect himself. Understood, students? So like this, student, you watch the video till end properly and try to remember this herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. It is very important. The animals who will eat only plant will called herbivorous. The animals which eat only the other animals, they will called carnivorous. And the animals that eat both animals as well as grass is called omnivorous. Understood, students? Next class we will discuss more about it, because next week your exam is there. Thank you, students.